Hello guys, welcome to the channel MGM Tech Day. So in today's video I'm talking about B Network official announcement listing and how to create wallet and import wallet address into Trust Wallet. So guys, a cikin wannan bidiyon zamu yi magana dangane da news da yake cewa B Network like the Pi token will be listed on a major exchanger with a great momentum. Pi the some power gained with Pi Network with B Network. So B Network da kuma wato Pi Network suna da alaka, so ana kyautata alakar su wato ta cewa hanyoyi guda biyu da suke iya bada KYC to migrate. So B Network ma zai bada KYC kuma za a yi migrating. Ana expecting din dai price ɗinsa zai zama 0.50 $1 to $3 wato prediction price na B Network. So let's go into the B Network wallet. So kamar yadda kuke gani idan mun shigo cikin B Network wallet ɗinmu, so a under wallet so muna da wato sending, receiving, swapping, history, reward. So how to add this wato false like this USDT, IDO and something, how to import token address on your wallet. So after connecting your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, so the first thing so da za ku shine click on setting. After clicking on setting come security and password. So make sure add your phone number, Gmail address, bind your Facebook or bind your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. So this is very important. So da ya kamata a ce kun yi a cikin B Network. So after importing set your wallet and import your token address. So click on wallet, click this three line, so click on import token, tap the Ethereum, come down, so click on Polygon. So this is the Polygon. Add the token address. I will drop the link under comment section. Copy and paste it. So in kuka yi copy za ku zo ku yi paste ɗinsa a nan gurin. So da a nan zai nuna muku B Network. So after kun yi copy za ku zo ku yi confirmation. So after pasting confirmation, so wannan shine yake nuna a wallet ɗinku ya zama successfully. So the next thing da za mu yi a nan gurin shine how to add another wallet into your B Network wallet. So click on wallet address. This is wallet address. So in kuka clicking akan wallet address sai ku zo ku taba shi. So after clicking on wallet address, you can import your account into MetaMask or Trust wallet. So if you want to add a new wallet, so click on Plus wallet and then so click the thumbprint. So after click on thumbprint or put your password. So this is how to add your wallet, add a wallet. So this is new wallet. So this is the new wallet, so kuna iya creating, so like this. So see, I have already clicking creating new wallet. So this is the new wallet, number 3 wallet. So this is number 3 wallet, how to add and create new wallet again. So after you importing your token, so idan kun riga kun yi import token address, so kuna da dama to ku iya creating din wani wallet. So idan kuna son ku yi changing wallet ko ku yi switching din wallet, so click on this three line. So click on number 2 wallet. So this is number 2 wallet. Click on number 1 wallet. So this is number 1 wallet is my own wallet wadda na yi testing na transaction din Polygon a cikinta. I have 0.78 Polygon. I have swap it to USDT. You can swap it to USDT or other coin. So wannan shine hanyar da za ku iya adin ku iya creating new wallet a cikin B Network naku after importing token address. So anan zan dakata sai mun sake haduwa da ku a next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, drop your comment so under this video. Thank you so much.